You trust your best friend with everything, your secrets, your plans, your future. And one day, they destroy you. Not your enemy, your friend. This is Law 2 of the 48 Laws of Power, and it will change how you see every relationship in your life. It is the 9th century, Byzantine Empire. Emperor Michael III needs a counselor he can trust completely. He looks around the entire empire and chooses his best friend, a man named Basilius, a former stable boy whom Michael had personally rescued from poverty, educated, dressed in silk, and given everything. Who could be more loyal than someone who owes you their entire existence? Michael was about to find out. Basilius learned fast. Too fast? Within years, he was advising the emperor on all matters of state, growing richer, growing more powerful, growing more ambitious. He whispered into Michael's ear that his own uncle, Bardas, was plotting against the throne. Michael believed him. Had Bardas murdered? Then Basilius asked to replace Bardas as head of the army. Michael said yes. A few years later, Michael, now broke from his own extravagance, asked Basilius to return some of the money he had given him over the years. Basilius refused. With a smile so impudent, it finally broke Michael's illusion. That night, Basilius had the emperor surrounded by soldiers. He watched them stab Michael to death. Then he rode through the streets of Byzantium, brandishing the head of his former best friend on a pike. The man Michael had saved from a stable became the man who ended his life. Here is what Robert Greene wants you to understand. Friendship blinds you. When you hire a friend, you discover the qualities they kept hidden. Your act of kindness unbalances everything. They begin to feel they deserve their good fortune, not because of you, but because of their own merit. Gratitude quietly turns to resentment. Resentment quietly turns to betrayal. Your enemy operates completely differently. An enemy has something to prove. They will work twice as hard. They will never take you for granted. They will never assume your loyalty is guaranteed. Emperor Sung understood this perfectly. When he rose to power in 9th century China, he faced a problem every new emperor faced. Generals who could betray him at any moment. Instead of killing them or fearing them, he invited them to dinner. He told them the truth. I cannot sleep. I fear one of you will one day be forced to take my throne. The generals panicked. Sung smiled and offered them a deal. Resign your commands, take rich estates, live in luxury, drink wine, enjoy your families. Every single general resigned the next morning. In one move, Sung turned potential enemies into peaceful, grateful subjects. Then he took it further. He began converting his actual enemies, men who had actively conspired against him, into loyal allies. By sparing them publicly, by honoring them openly, he made betrayal nearly impossible. A man who has been shown mercy when he expected death will go to the ends of the earth for you. When Abraham Lincoln was criticized for treating his Southern enemies as fellow human beings instead of destroying them, he replied, "Do I not destroy my enemies when I make them my friends?" This is the power of Law 2. Your friends are a liability hiding behind a smile. Your enemies are an untapped resource. Use them. This is Law 2 of the 48 Laws of Power. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. The game continues. Law 3 is next.